Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Welcome to our online teaching academy Egalaiva. Hello children, how are you all? I hope you all are happy and healthy at home, right? Today we are going to see about something very interesting. Are you excited to know what we are going to see today? Before that, children, do you know where we live? We all live in our homes, right? Same like that, animals also live in their homes. So today we are going to learn about animal and their homes. Okay children, shall we start? See children, who is this? This is a dog, right? Children, do you know where does a dog live? A dog lives in a kennel. Where does a dog live? A dog lives in a kennel. Children, we all love to eat food. Same like that. Animals also love to eat food. This dog likes to eat bone very much. Dog likes to eat bone very much. So, dog lives in a kennel and loves to eat bone very much. Children, shall we move on to next animal? See children, meow. Who is this? This is a cat. Okay, who is this? This is a cat. Where does cat live? Cat lives in a basket. Cat loves to drink milk and also fond of fish. So, cat lives in a basket and loves to eat milk and fish. Shall we move on to next animal? See children, who is this? Yes, this is cow. Who is this? This is cow. Where does cow live? Cow lives in a shed. And cow loves to eat fresh grass and hay. Cow loves to eat fresh grasses and hay. So children, home of the cow is shed. He loves to eat hay and grasses. See children, who is this? This is horse. Who is this? This is horse. Where does horse live? Horse lives in a stable. Same like cow, horse also loves to eat fresh grasses and hay. So, horse lives in a stable and loves to eat fresh grasses and hay. Shall we move on to next animal? See children, who is this? Yes, this is sheep. Do you know where does sheep live? Sheep lives in a barn. Where does sheep live? Sheep lives in a barn. Sheep loves to eat fresh grass very much. So children, sheep lives in a barn and loves to eat fresh grass. Okay children, who is going to come next? See children, who is this? Children, see who is this? This is pig. Who is this? This is pig. Where does pig live? Pig lives in a sty. Where does pig live? Pig lives in a sty. Pig loves to eat almost everything. Whatever they are getting in sty, they like to eat. For example, vegetables, fruits, rotten vegetables, everything. So, pig lives in a sty and loves to eat everything. Shall we move on to next animal? See children, what is this? You all know very well about this animal, right? What is this? Yeah, this is monkey. Who is this? This is monkey. Monkey lives in a tree. We all know that, right? So, monkey loves to eat bananas very much. So, monkey lives in a tree and loves to eat banana. Monkey is a wild animal and also farm animal. See children. See, such a big animal, no? What animal is this? Who is this? Yes, this is elephant. Where does elephant live? Elephant lives in a jungle. So, elephant is a wild animal. Okay. Elephant loves to eat sugar cane very much. Elephant loves to eat all the fruits, vegetables, so many things, but he loves to eat sugar cane very much. So, elephant lives in a forest and likes to eat sugar cane. Okay. Then, see children, who is this? Yes, this is lion. Who is this? This is lion. Lion is the king of the jungle, right? So, lion is a wild animal. Lion lives in the forest. Inside the forest, he lives in the den. So, lion loves to eat flesh of other animals. So, lion lives in the den and he loves to eat flesh of other animals. Children, we are going to see lost animal. See children, how beautiful this is, no? Who is this? This is rabbit. Do you know children, where does rabbit live? Rabbit lives in a burrow. Where does rabbit live? Rabbit lives in a burrow. Rabbit loves to eat all the vegetables, especially carrot. So, rabbit lives in a burrow, likes to eat carrot. Children, shall we recap quickly about animal and their homes? See children, dog lives in a kennel. Cat lives in a basket. Cow lives in a shed. Goat lives in a barn. Pig lives in a sty. Rabbit lives in a burrow. Then horse lives in a stable. Shall we move on to wild animals now? Monkey lives in a tree. Lion lives in a den. And elephant lives in a forest. I hope you all understood about homes of animal and their food. To receive our online lessons, please press the subscribe button and you will receive the latest updates. Thank you children. Have a great day. Bye.